If L is parallel to K in the figure below, then what is the value of X? Alright, again, if we have two parallel lines here, draw another one that passes through this point right here. So, draw another line that is parallel to the other two lines, L and K. Then we know that this angle is equal to this angle right here, right? Corresponding angles. So this is a 3x minus 5. And we also know that this angle is equal to this angle right here, corresponding angles. So this angle is x plus 30. From here to here is 145, right? It is given that this is 145. Then we can write the equation 3x minus 5 plus x plus 30. That is equal to 145. So 4x plus 25 is equal to 145. So 4x is equal to 145 minus 25, that's 120. So x is equal to 30, right? So the value of x, that is equal to 30.